siempre me das lo que pido. Tú tienes el bate y la fuerza que yo necesito. Cuando estamos solos te juro no me falta nada. Te pongo un 13 de 10 cuando estamos en la cama. Nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca a tu lado salvaje. Tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. Pero, ¿y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? Huele como me...
You must fasten your seatbelt. Insert the metal fittings one onto the other and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as we may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. One forward, one aft, and one over each wing. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. In the event of a decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. A life vest is also located in the pouch under your seats or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and the light to attract attention.
Dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you forget up, if you forget up, time, 'cause this is Africa.